G'day, it's Colin from Wurth, and what I have here is the Wurth HSP 1400. Now it's a high temperature, metal free, anti-seize and lubricating paste. So some general information about HSP 1400. It's silicon free. It has a temperature range of -40 to 1400 degrees Celsius. It has 500 hours of salt spray protection. Now what does that mean? That means they bombard the product with salt water for 500 hours until rust forms on a bolt or whatever they're testing. Now in the real world, of course, you won't be bombarded all the time, so it's much greater than the 500 hours. It also has the NSF logo on the can, which means it's safe for industrial and domestic kitchens. So where would you use the HSP 1400? Of course, you'd use it on nuts and bolts, any of those fasteners and connections that you want to be able to undo and not seize up. In the automotive sector, it's particularly good because of the heat range, up to 1400 degrees. So around turbos, areas that get very hot, the exhaust system, where you want to remove those bolts at a later date. The engineering sector, there's many fasteners and products like that they need to spray it on. And of course, don't forget marine use. Because of the salt spray protection, it prevents corrosion and rust, so it's fantastic to get those bolts off as well. Where HSP 1400 really excels is with stainless steel fasteners. You can spray it on, and because it's metal free, it won't react at all. And it'll stop that galling that you can get with stainless steel fasteners. So what we're going to do is I'm going to do a quick demonstration for you at how I can damage a thread, and then I'm able to use the HSP to remove that nut simply and easily. So let's go and have a look at that. So you've just seen one of the uses for HSP 1400. You saw how simply I was able to remove that nut off that damaged thread so I can get on with my other work. Now it's fantastic because it's silicon free, so it's safe for paint shops. It has a temperature range of -40 to 140 degrees Celsius, so the range of areas you can use it in is also terrific. It's metal free, so we won't get any chemical reactions from salt water and things like that. Now, if you want to try a can of the HSP 1400, talk to your local Wurth sales rep or go online, and we've attached a link for you. So if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section. Don't forget to like our page, and Wurth HSP 1400, it is ready for work.